Hi everybody, Dr. Denise Rassel. I want to ask Dr. Daigneault a very important question right now because I get this question all the time about why would I get tested and why is it such a difference between the vitamins that I buy at the health food store or at the grocery store versus organic whole food vitamins. Could you answer that question in a nutshell for us?
That's a loaded question, but I'll make an attempt to make this happen for you guys today. That is a question that is being asked oftentimes by people. Sometimes people don't even ask because they don't know what to ask for. But if you were to say, Dr. Daigneault, what do you guys do at your office and how do you apply nutrition? What's the philosophy besides, behind what you guys do and how is it different or how could that be different from other places? So first and foremost, if I were to ask you the question, which one do you think is better, is to eat an orange or to have a glass of orange juice? Right? Obviously, all of you here out there with no hesitation, never had anybody telling me the glass of orange juice is better. People are like, well, the orange is probably better. Well, the orange is the whole and the glass of orange juice is just the parts. So in the world of vitamins, whole food vitamins is the same thing. So there's 3 types of vitamins on the shelf in any store that you go to. Number 1 is you have synthetic vitamins, which are man-made. So that is probably not the best option. Number 2 is you also have food-based. Food-based is we use a little bit of whole food and then you put a bunch of synthetic, vitamin that are being added, right? Synthetic vitamins that are being added. So then those are called food-based. And then you also have whole food supplements. Whole food organic supplements, the difference is usually when you open the bottle, they're going to smell bad, they're going to taste bad, and they're going to look bad, right? However, they're good for you because what we're doing is we're taking the whole, and what we're doing is we're vacuum drying them, we're removing the water, and this is what those little tablets and those little capsules are. So what we're doing is we're using some genuine replacement parts, right? We're using the whole to put into your body so your body can get the maximum benefit with the coenzyme and the cofactor. So oftentimes in the world of synthetic supplements, right, is you don't have the coenzyme and the cofactor because we have that in the orange, but we don't have that in the glass of orange juice. So hopefully this is helpful at our office is we are, for me, the way that we're applying nutrition is this is really, really important to make sure that we're putting the whole in people's body because then what happens is when you're putting the whole in a person's body, your body is going to be using that as raw material to be able to replenish itself, to replace itself, to be able to repair itself by having all the parts, having all the coenzyme, all the cofactors for your body to be able to repair and heal the way God has made your body to work. So hopefully this was, I know it's a mouthful, but just to recap, the whole is much bigger than the sum of the parts. And what that means is when we're using synthetic or man-made vitamins, this is definitely not the same because we're just using parts, and synthetic vitamins are not oftentimes, they are not oftentimes, all the time, right? We're just giving parts to the body, and as a result of that, your body is not getting the maximum benefit in terms of being able to use it and to be able to assimilate it and to be able to do what it was designed to do to begin with. So hopefully this was a decent explanation for you guys to be able to understand what we do in our office and why that would be of benefit to you. So
thank you, Dr.
Peace.
Daigneault. Thank you so much.